Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this rotating mug so that you can advertise your mugs on your Etsy shop or your or any platform. Each of these mugs will be available on my Etsy shop, and I will have the link in the description box below. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a blank canvas. My size is 2000 by 2000 pixels. So I'm going to choose a transparent background. Now you can choose between transparent or white. I will be showing you both. So let's start off with a transparent background. So once you have the picture that you would like to be placed on your mug, you're going to go to the top and hit edit. And then you're going to click mockup, and then you're going to click under video, hit see all, and you're going to choose the mockup of your choice. So I'm just going to stick with what I've been doing. I'm going to stick with the rotating mug mockup here. So the mockup would automatically attach to the photo that you've uploaded, but I'm going to detach it just to kind of show you how to add another photo if needed. So you would click on your, highlight the whole mockup. You're going to click on edit, and you're going to hit detach image. All right, so you can go ahead and remove that image and say you want to go ahead and upload another photo. So let me go to uploads, and let's choose the white background this time. You're going to take the photo, just hover over the mockup and just let go. And there you go, you guys. And that was easy. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.